Hello dear students, today I am going to discuss about some more examples for the nomenclature of alkyl halides. So here goes the first example. Okay. So this is a substituted alkene and we have to assign locant to the carbon atoms in the principal carbon chain in such a way that the double bond gets lowest position or lowest locant. So here we have to find out what is the principal carbon chain. Since the halogen and double bond belong to the side chain, the priority is given to the side chain and we start numbering from left to right. Okay. So the name of the compound is 2-bromo. One phenyl propene or prop 1-ene. Okay. So there are two substituents in this compound, phenyl and bromine. In the alphabetic order, bromo comes first. So next example, almost similar to the first one. This one. So this is a substituted alkane. Here the halogen is bonded to the side chain and side chain contains only one carbon atom. This one. Okay. So we can write the structure in other way. Okay. This is the principal side chain containing only one carbon atom and there are two substituents. This one is phenyl, this is bromine. So it is 1-bromo, 1-phenyl, methane. Okay. So there are two substituents, that is phenyl and bromo, as in the first one. So bromo comes first because in the alphabetic order B comes first before P. Okay. So let us go to the third example. I discussed similar one example last class or in my last video. Okay. So here while numbering the carbon chain, principal carbon chain from left to right, the double bond gets locant. Okay. If you start numbering from left to right, this is the numbering. So the double bond is between 2 and 3, that is, it will be assigned locant 2. Let us try the other way. If you start numbering from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If you start numbering from right to left, then also the double bond gets locant 2. That's why we have to choose the numbering from right to left, because here the substituent bromine and the methyl get the lowest possible locants. That's why we have to write the substituents in the alphabetical order along with their locants. So 1 bromo, 2 methyl, but, 2 in. Okay. Let us try one more example. This is a very important question. This was once asked in cbse board. Okay. So here there is only one substituent, that is bromine, and the principal carbon chain contains 3 carbon atoms. This is a substituted propene, and if we start numbering from right to left like this, here the double bond gets locant 2 and bromine gets locant 1. But according to the rule, double bond should be given higher priority over the halogen. That's why we should change the numbering. So it should be 1, 2, 3. So it is 3 bromo, pro, 1 in. Okay. Let us try one more example. Okay. So this is cyclohexene. This is a ring structure containing 6 carbon atoms along with a double bond. So we should number in such a that the double bond should be given lowest possible locant. That's why we start numbering like this: 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3 bromo, cyclo, hex, 1 in. Okay. So this is 3 bromo, cyclic, because this is a cyclic compound, cyclo, hex, 1 in. Okay. Let us try one more example. Okay. So in this case we have 2 substituents, bromine and chlorine. So here we should start numbering in such a that the substituent which comes first in the alphabetical order should be assigned with lowest possible locant. That's why we start like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 bromo, 4 chloro, cyclohexane. This is a hexane, cyclohexane. Okay. Next, one more example. So this is a very simple example. This is a substituted cyclohexene. So we should give numbering like this, from top to bottom or bottom to top. The same locands are assigned to double bond. So there is no problem with numbering. This is 1,2 dibromo cyclohexene or hexoanine. You may give the locand or not. From double bond, it may be cyclohexene or guanine, same thing. Okay. So let us give one more important example. Okay. So this is a substituted alkane having 3 substituents. What are the substituents here? One is bromo, another is chloro, the next one is cyclohexyl. Okay. These are mentioned in the alphabet order. So we should start numbering such that bromine should be assigned with lowest possible locant because it comes first in the alphabet order. So we number like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a substituted pentane. So we write like this: 2 bromo, 4 chloro, 3 cyclohexyl, pentane. Okay. The compound looks big, but it is very simple one. Next one, okay. So in this compound, there are 4 substituents. There are 2 bromine as substituents and 2 chlorine as substituents. And we should start numbering such that the double bond gets lowest possible locant. So if we start numbering from right to left, the double bond gets position number 3. And if we start numbering from left to right, it also gets locant 3. That's why we should start numbering from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a substituted hexene. Okay. This is 2, 3 dibromo, 4, 5 dichloro, hex 3 ene. Okay. The double bond is between third and fourth carbon atom. That's why it is hex 3 ene. Okay. So let us go to the next example. Okay. So here there are three substituents. Okay. And this is the principal carbon chain. So we should start numbering in such a way that the double bond should be given lowest locant. That's why we start numbering from this side. Okay. So 4 carbon atoms in the principal carbon chain. So this is a substituted butene. And the substituents are ethyl, CH2, CH3, that's why it is ethyl, bromo and chloro. So we should write bromo first. So it is 3 bromo, 1 chloro, writing in the alphabetical order, and 2 ethyl but, 1 ene. Okay. So in the next video, I will be giving you some more examples involving aryl halides. Thank you for watching.